Hello everyone, welcome back to Fastback Racing. My name is Jason, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro that I just got from Verizon. So here's the box. Alright, so includes the iPhone 14 Pro and the USB-C to Lightning cable. Power adapter and headphones aren't included. Supports GSM, UMITS, LTE, and 5G, sub 6 gigahertz. What's that? waves. So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS. Some capabilities not available depending on region, wireless plan, and network. For LTE and 5G, see Apple. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm just saying it requires a wireless plan, which I have Verizon. Alright, so back here, we're just gonna go ahead and take that. So I did get the deep purple. I thought that was a cool color to get. And since I'm going into, I've been on a positive spiritual journey, and you know the 7 chakras, purple is the crown, so enlightenment. So I thought it was a cool color. I don't know if the lighting is doing any justice. Well, that's pretty cool. Look. And then it has the protective film, and there's the cable. So I'm going to keep it in the box here, and so I got this off of Amazon. I usually go with OtterBox. OtterBox does have a clear one. I wanted a clear one. I could probably go get one now since they're out, but at the time when I was getting the phone, I didn't have it, so I got this from Amazon. So made in China. See how I probably will eventually get an OtterBox casing, a clear one. I want it clear this time because I gotta show off the purple, the deep purple. There we go. Okay. So got a bunch of shield protection. All right. So we got wipes. Okay. Instructions. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove trying not to take this piece off until I'm ready. All right. All right, we got the clear piece on. That's pretty cool. And I'm guessing I probably should have took this off first. There we go. So there's the screen. Where are these? Yeah, I'm not liking this. There's already dust on there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get an other box. Alright, we got the screen protector on. That one kind of works. Trying to get the bubbles out. Alright, so we have temporary case. This, I'm not liking this case, but it'll do for right now, until I can get an otter box. Alright, let's turn on. Ta-da! It's on. Okay, so there we go. I'm at the setup. So yeah, I can't wait to get everything. I did get the 512 gigabytes, and I got this on. I got the deep purple color. It's in a temporary cheap case. I am going to go ahead and get a new one. And so yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.